What is going on, guys? Man Malone here. It's been a while since I last posted. Not a lot's been going on with the cars. Been working a lot, getting settled in with the new home. But times are changing. There's a lot going on today. There's a lot going on this week. We have a body kit for the G35. Finally, I've been wanting one for so long. We've already got started on the paint. Primer, base coat is on now. I just got to finish up here. Same with the side skirts. Side skirts, not looking too well. This is fiberglass from somewhere on the internet. And then I just picked up a rear lip. We have just a couple days to get this finished. So me and Zach Wright, you might have seen him on a previous video. We're trying to make it to Corpus Drift. It's this Saturday. We're gonna leave. Today's Wednesday. We're gonna leave Friday after work. We're gonna get a motel, hotel, Airbnb. I don't know what we're gonna do. It's kind of all unplanned at the moment, but there's a lot going on. The G35 is getting a hydro. I gotta get a muffler for the G35 because they're not allowing cars that are too loud. You must have a muffler for this event. So it's kind of stressful. This feels so ghetto to do. Like, it's all right. Like, as long as it looks good, getting sideways, imperfections everywhere, but it's not a perfect car. Guys, it started raining. I was just about to finish, but here's how it looks. Just needed one more coat, and that would be it. Side skirts look like crap, but it's okay. They're nice and shiny now. Tomorrow, we're gonna throw them on the car after we pick it up. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, so here's the thing. It's Friday, the night we're supposed to go to Corpus. It's like 3 or 4 hours away. I was supposed to meet with Zach 3 hours ago. We're supposed to leave at 5. It's about 8 now. We just made it to a gas station. Where's Zach at? This is Zach's car, guys. Just wrapped it in purple. I did this design for him. Looks pretty dope. Did a pinstripe for him, all in chrome. He just got this new seat. Looks freaking sick. You guys haven't heard, Buc-ee's is like some of the cheapest gas you can get, but it's sitting at $4. How do you feel about that?
It's wartime. Because of the war. Sucks. Let's go drive. Let's get to driving. Put some gas in your car.
I bet. You need to be more mean to me, you know that? Zach is the kind of guy, like, I can see it in his face that he just wants to leave. He's like, come on, let's go. He doesn't. Huh?
I just want to be in the hotel. So
okay. We're late as fuck, though. On the way to Corpus, baby. Right, guys, so we made it to Corpus Drift. We just did a few laps. Me and Zach got some tandems in. Just blew some tires out. Black line drift, baby. But yeah, guys, I'm glad we made it. It's a little rushed, but not too bad for driving 3 hours for a drift event. This is like the only fun part about drifting. Like, you go out there and you drive, but before it, there's a lot of stress. You gotta prepare, pack, find out what's wrong with your car, fix it. Drifting is fun. Everything else is in between and after and shit. That's not fun. But yeah, guys, enough talk. Let's go get some laps. Funds.
Oh yeah, let's take a trip. Just sit back and light a split with this and don't slip on the funky dope track. Jump back, strapped with a fat Buddha sack in a 7-8 black, go clean. Gangsta lean, I got green, but I serve dubs like it ain't no thing. I hang with OG players, don't send tricks, boy you might get what we call a rat pack. I don't slack when it comes to street. I kick real G funk to a gangsta beat. It's so sweet when you got money to spend. I got a proper big twist and a 5 big bands. I make ends, spend my dough on no phone. That's how it is and that's how it goes. Act like you know when I creep real slow, giving love to the players that I know it's real G. If you got love for them gangsters, let me hear you one time. If you're down with the ride, if you got love for them hustlers, let me hear you say ho. If you make it straight go. If you got love for them players, let me hear you say boo. Ladies, we want you. If you got love for them straight G's and you wanna be down, just scream.
Dope edit, huh? I didn't really get to drive too much. I started late. The event started at 11. That's when driving started. I didn't start until like 1:30. Didn't get to record much. Zach kept worrying about his tires. He actually had to borrow some tires from a friend in order to make it home later that day. Our best runs were not recorded because it was my fault. I didn't press the record button. I don't know why. So I didn't get to record Zach crashing into the barrier with the tires on it. I was like, dude, what were you doing? Why are you going so wide there? He's like, dude, I don't know. I was getting rowdy. Also, I did not smack Zach. It just looked crazy on the GoPro. I'll show you a clip of what actually happened here. But overall, it was fun. I plan to do it again sometime soon. I did not get to put the body kit on the car, but we're about to start painting right now, maybe for the next video. So stay tuned for that. Zach found some cool warehouses we can drift down to Mexico and Japan, so might see some street drifting. But yeah, guys, that concludes this video. Make sure you drop a like on the video, leave a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one.